Hi, this is Laura Waldsmith, and I am creating a video evaluation of my Knowledge Building Center. My theme for the Knowledge Building Center and this learning unit was literature circles for all ages. I have my Knowledge Building Center in the background intentionally with the hopes that you can see parts of what were included in this project. This is something that I can use, I can share with teachers, and it has many applicable options built within it. Things that I really liked about my Knowledge Building Center, first and foremost, its ease of use and simple setup, yet most of the tools that anyone who would use this unit, literature circles, would have access to many tools and resources. So in the background you can see that there are resources for literature circle roles, a student communication page, unit plan with built-in lessons, and then the site mat. Underneath my video is just a basic description and then also a book talk on YouTube that I created using the Animoto video program, using the book The Last Lecture by Randy Posh as my sample book to be used for literature circles. And so that nice clean layout has made it easy to use for the students I've put this in front of as sample testers. They liked the video, it brought them into the site, wanting them to learn more even though they didn't have to do a literature circle. So I think all those pieces made it a strong site. Also, within the resources part, there is a link for a YouTube video that I created on how to use the BadgerLink database as a search tool, and I designed that specifically with this curricular unit in mind of literature circles, and used literature circles to define the search terms I used within BadgerLink. And I did sample test that with students, and they were able to follow along and use it, so I considered that a plus. Within the site, there's also the unit plan and lesson plans, and within that also finds some grading scales and rubrics to help guide the process. For me as an instructor, I like students to know ahead of time what I expect of them, but also that I'm not asking them to do anything I can't do myself. And so a lot of the samples that have been included are works of my own, or I've been involved enough with literature circles that I could act as a resource for anyone who chose to use this tool. My biggest regret, and what I will be going in and changing on my Knowledge Building Center, is my student communication page. Right now, their only communication tool is Google Hangout. I intentionally chose that because we are moving from PC and Google Mix for platforms to Chrome boxes and Chromebooks only, and we will be going one-to-one fully. So I want students to learn how to use Google Hangouts responsibly as a sharing tool in a way that they can work through assignments or ask questions of one another, or even of me or their instructor. My regret is that I didn't provide other communication tools, whether it was like a help ticket kind of thing, or a Padlet where there could be a column for questions, a column for things I've learned that might help others, shares, but I didn't. And that's my one regret. Really, I think that's probably the biggest downfall. If I had to pick something else about this site, is I should have included other or more titles that I have used as part of a literature circle that make great demonstration books. If you're going to do a kickoff and it's your first time with literature circles, those might be titles to refer to. Again, that's something that could be added. But really, truly, overall, I'm pleased with my site, both because I have myself come back to use it as a tool, but students have told me they've done the same. Thank you for watching.